Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to make money online, and I have 10 methods that can help you make extra money from the comfort of your own home. These strategies have been tried and tested, and they work whether you want to start a full-time business or add money to your income. Let's start. Sell products on Etsy or eBay. You can sell handmade items on popular e-commerce platforms like Etsy and eBay if you're creative and enjoy making them. These platforms let you sell everything from jewelry to home decor and reach a large audience while making money from your passion. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business strategy in which products are sold without being held in inventory. Instead, you work with a supplier to ship the goods to your customers directly. Starting a profitable online business with this approach may require little capital and little risk. Online tutoring or teaching. Do you have knowledge of a specific field? Think about providing teaching or tutoring services online. You can connect students and tutors through a variety of platforms and websites, allowing you to reach a large audience and earn money for sharing your expertise. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which you get paid to promote other people's products. You can sign up as an affiliate for specific businesses or join an affiliate network to start promoting products in your niche. Create an online course. Make an online course if you are an expert in a particular area. You can make money from students who sign up for your course by selling it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Online surveys and market research. By participating in market research studies and online surveys, you can earn money. Consumer feedback is always sought after by businesses, and offering your opinion can earn you money. Freelancing. If you have a particular skill set, such as writing, graphic design, or web development, freelancing is a great way to make money online. Freelancing work can be found on a variety of platforms and websites, including Upwork and Freelancer. Sell digital products. Are you good at music, design, or photography? You might want to think about selling digital products like music tracks, stock photos, digital artwork on websites like Shutterstock or Envato. Blogging. If you're passionate about a particular topic, blogging can be a great way to make money online. Sponsored content, advertising, and affiliate marketing are all ways to make money. Invest in the stock market. Finally, investing in the stock market can help you make money. You can potentially earn a significant return on your investment with the right approach and education, though this method does carry some risk. Here are 10 methods for making money online. There are numerous opportunities to earn extra cash from the comfort of your own home, whether you want to start a full-time business or add to your income. Get started right away by selecting the approach that works best for you. I hope you enjoyed the video and will join me in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.